The idea to lead an initiative and contribute towards gender equality has always existed in me. However, it received a concrete manifestation on the 12th of August 2013 with the campaign Rebirth, a project that we have just initiated in order to commemorate the International Youth Day, the voice and the strength that the youth of today have in dealing with such issues of prominence. The idea that we take up through this project is fighting for the constitutional right to life that every girl child deserves in India, and how they have been denied at various stages of their life. Which is why our team at Campaign Rebirth has divided themselves in two aspects of field intervention and research and documentation, catering to two aspects of female feticide and the rights of abandoned girls who are currently residing in some of the shelter homes in New Delhi. As a young girl, I believe I am in a very privileged position to receive the various opportunities that I have without much struggle. However, there are these girls who have the same aspirations and dreams as I do, but the kind of experiences that they have is something very disheartening. It is a daunting thought to even imagine that as a girl child, even I could have had similar experiences as those girls. There are various activities and interactive sessions that we wish to conduct in the forthcoming months as well. We have various theatre workshops, dance classes, painting exhibitions, and we even wish to portray the works of some of these girls in an art gallery. The intent behind which is simply to express their story, to compile and document their entire experience in a journal, because of which we require the support of the United Nations. Believing that the kind of focus and media coverage that this issue, this very sensitive issue of juvenile justice and rights of abandoned girls required has not been provided adequately. We therefore strive to bring about a lasting impact, progress and qualitative development in the lives of girl child across the globe in our insignificant ways. And we believe in living in a world where the mind is without fear.